Just sitting here, decided to make a video of my RC collection that I have so far. Right here on the workbench, just finishing up the Traxxas Bandit upgrades for now. So mostly it's just cosmetic stuff, like ST RC Racing aluminum parts, shut caps, stuff like that. I get the RPM bumper, RPM front and rear shock tower. So when you go ahead and replace the shock tower here, you lose the function of the wing. So what I did here, I mounted from my 8 scale buggy from Techno, use a wing mount there, and then the E-Revo wing, and pretty much just wheelie bar in the back. I did change the spur gear to 83 teeth support, so they can support the bigger any kind of tires I got. Stock motor in it. It's nothing, it's aluminum upgrades on certain spots, but that's what I did so far. Most of the stuff I took off from my Slash, like the blue aluminum thing here. Oh, so I got, and then the front here, and also I did add the MIP drive shafts. I haven't really gotten this out yet. I tried a little bit, but battery died. So I'm gonna charge the battery on my Bandit with using the 2S. So let's take a little bit tour. This is pretty much my desk. Messy right now, so just finished upgrading. So this is my TX4, and this is the Axial SCS-10 II, both my crawlers I use. There's my racing, my Techno buggy. It's the EB4 8.3, and this is a RC 4-wheel drive Defender, but I have not touched it yet. I bought it off Facebook, and just waiting to upgrade it. Right there for now is my MST car here. It's the Drifter I have, and my Stampede 2-wheel drive. Lots of upgrades on that. My Slash right now is taking parts off from that, putting on my Bandit. I'm planning to make this a drag car at some point. And like that there. All my 124 scale and 1/18 scale crawlers and sorted vehicles. Pretty cool. And then got my, from the 80s, the Grasshopper. My friend gave that to me when he's moving, and my current Grasshopper. And so the TX4 that I have is the Defender. So here's the Defender body. I have a lot of upgrades on it. Stuff I got off eBay and Amazon and my local shop I go to. And this is all like toolboxes and little scattered parts. And pretty much that's about it for this. So it's, my collection for now. So a lot of money spent a lot of upgrades, and loving every bit of it. I learn something new every day with this hobby. Well, that's my collection. Hope you like it. If you have any questions or anything on what I have, send me an email or on the comments below, and I'll try to get to them as fast as I can. I'm not good at this video and stuff, so I'm gonna edit as much as I can or as good as I can from iMovie, and I'll put it up, and hopefully everyone likes it. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like the video. And now go outside and have some fun with RCs. Bye-bye!